What's up, guys? It's Big Buck Bray here. Got my Cimarron Pistolero. I got 3 shots on the show for you guys. Just got this baby for Christmas. She is pretty nice. I cannot lie. So I put some in there. Okay, she's ready to fire. Oh, also, actually, hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, she's safe now. I got this holster, guys. You'll not be able to see right here from my revolver. Okay, now we'll shoot. So, okay, she's hot. I'll shoot it cowboy style for you guys. So, here we go. Smoke coming at that sucker. Make sure it's empty. Alright, guys. Thanks for checking it out.